Good morning, John.
Your love is like a wave.
Happy Tuesday. How are you doing? It's good to see you. I am in this short, and it looks like YouTube chat on my live stream is not quite working on my end, so there will be a delay when I read your message. Yeah, how's your trading going, John? Let me see if I can pull it up another way. Yeah, I'm just sitting in the short in one micro. I knocked it out of the park last night and this morning in pre-market, up over, I want to say like 2,000 total in my funded accounts. So I am thinking I just need to like play it super light. Super, super light, right? And not do anything silly. It's like the name of the game. Do less silly things. Good morning, Heather, Joyce, Investor Z, May. How is everyone doing so far? John says too choppy. Yeah, it has been choppy. So technically, I think this week is still a holiday week. I know we have FOMC minutes tomorrow, and then I think we have some type of jobs data later this week. So maybe we'll get a more directional move. So today could be continue with more chop. Let's see. Let me see if I can pull up my own YouTube. Yeah, every now and then, it happens actually pretty often, more often than I want it to happen. YouTube, when I go live, it says something went wrong with your chat. So I can't like see the feed. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, this is better. Yeah, so John says too choppy, wait for my session. What's your session, John? New York? Hey, Win. Good morning, Tris, Kay. Good question. Do I copy trade all my accounts? So sometimes I am trying to get away from that because one bad day can just ruin everything. And then you lose all of your accounts in one day. So I have been rotating. Lately, I've been pretty good about that. If I do use a copy trader, it's just the group trade within Tradeify. And yeah, I know a lot of people find great success in copy trading, like all of their accounts. And then I hear the alternative is to copy, if you want to trade in batches. And it seems to me like a lot of people succeed more with copy trading in groups and spreading out your risk that way, because let's say your strategy, um, you know, it doesn't matter what strategy you have, it will go through periods of losing streaks and or just how many losses in a row. So maybe not overall a losing streak, but if you're able to spread it out over multiple accounts, some of those accounts will make it to pay out is kind of the idea, right? So we do want to get paid for our hard work, and we do want to get paid as we're learning and improving. And to me, it seems like copy trading in groups, if you have that many of accounts, is maybe the way to go. At least that's what I think for my own trading right now. I've definitely done copy across everything, and it's awesome when it works, but it sucks when it doesn't. Yeah, thank you so much, man. Everyone smash that like button. Let's go. Yeah, make sure you join the stream tomorrow morning too, because we will be giving away 2 core accounts, 50K core accounts from my funded futures. Thanks, you guys, for all of your support. It definitely helps. Hey, Adrian, good morning. Good morning, loving nature guy. FX1, Gen X. Yeah, we are just hanging out in the short, made a bunch of money in Globex and pre-market in the funded accounts, and passed another eval. So right now I only have 2 funded accounts only. It's enough, right? 2 funded accounts is really enough. Even 1 funded account is enough. I was thinking about that this morning. I was like, "Oh my gosh, I've made so much money in these 2 funded accounts, and it's like it's just 2 accounts. So I don't need like 40 accounts, and I don't even need like 5, right? But there's this feeling of, "Oh, I need more accounts." Have you guys experienced this before? But yeah, I'm just like, gotta bring it back to basics and get a payout and then use that money to fund more accounts and scale that way. Otherwise, it's easy to go negative for the month. So that is my plan. What do you guys think? How many accounts do you need? I'm so curious to know. Like, obviously, if we had all the money in the world, we would just buy like 1,000 accounts, right? Like, why not? But yeah, like, is there a certain number of accounts that you trade best with? Is it 1, 2, 5, 15, 20, 40? And yeah, let me know. I'm so curious. So we're just hanging out in this short. This idea is range type of trade. Here's the hourly. So you can see here, chop, 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 chop. This was yesterday, right? Yeah. So this was New York Open yesterday. Ooh, I don't know what that was. Okay. Um, New York Open, we're pretty much in that range. So let me check on the news. This is the hourly. Let's quickly look at the daily. So we had this doji candle, nice reversal candle, and yesterday did close red, not by too much though. So we will see what today brings. So far, we are trading within yesterday's range. If it wasn't like a holiday week, I would say statistically it's higher that we will take out either yesterday's high or low than it is to trade within this range. But with the holiday, like I just don't know. Okay, so this low is 647 from yesterday. So far overnight we're at 684. Interesting levels to note. I feel like it would take a lot to break yesterday's high, right? Yesterday's high was 893. Hmm. Okay, good to know. Let's go back on the 5 minute. Yeah, volatility is down this morning. Hey, Ashvin. Ashvin says only 1 is enough. Let's go. Yeah, I think, oh, you have to be very careful with trading multiple accounts because it is so easy to accidentally hedge with the prop firms, right? Like, I've done it before. I know lots of people have done it before where it's purely an accident. For example, like you might be short, like how I'm short in this account, and then I go and I'm short in another account and I'm not using like a copy trader. And then all of a sudden I close out this account, but I forgot about that other account. And then I go long and then I'm like, I forgot about that other account. So just a heads up, be super careful because all these firms, they have implemented like the automatic hedging detection and it seems like a lot of the firms have zero tolerance for it. So even if it's an accident because of the automated detector, it'll just automatically like close your account or tell you later in the day that it's closed. Or you find out later once the account is reviewed for possibly a payout, that kind of thing. Yeah, so just heads up, everyone, be careful with copy trading. And I've heard that people using copy traders, it'll malfunction. And so sometimes you might still be in a trade and then their stop doesn't get hit or does get hit, and somehow accounts are long and short at the same time. Yeah, hazards, I swear, to everything. It's yeah, nothing is easy in this game. Agreed, Gen X, definitely choppy. Tushar, so tomorrow I will be live here at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 7 o'clock my time. Every morning I always go live at the same time, and we stream together for about 40 minutes, and then I head over to the My Funded Futures stream. And yeah, so that is what is on the agenda. Adrian says, I think gold, silver, and platinum are the markets to trade right now. I know. They have been just going bananas. Let's take a look at gold real quick. I have also been trading gold. I haven't tried silver yet. Ooh, okay. We're getting, I do like this. You know what? I've been waiting for a good short in gold to take. So yesterday we had this really big move short on gold. I'm just picturing all of the, you know, miners, the gold businesses, because we made this new high. Here's a daily chart on gold. It's to be expected that we would get a retracement. But I'm wondering if there could be a good gold short. So this made all new high, and it just has just gone bananas. And I know I checked over here on one of these days, and gold year to date was already up 70% year to date, which is an incredible return. So I'm kind of picturing the gold miners, people who actually have to sell gold, and they do go into the futures markets to sell their contracts. Okay, so this is the micro on gold, and I am going to take one. Let me set up a new bracket. Okay, gold. Oops. Gold ATM. Automatic Trade Management. I believe that's what it stands for. And then let's do the value, take profit and stop loss. Let's do $100 and $100, save. And I am going to activate that trade management I just entered, and I'm going to hop into a short on gold, 1 micro on gold. Let's see what happens. I am trading my Funded Futures Pro account, a 150K account. Yeah, heads up, you guys, make sure you always like watch how many contracts you can have on. Okay, this is that NASDAQ short on NQ. We'll just let it do its thing. That's the beauty of micros. It's like so much less stress. You can have big ranges for your stop loss and take profit and just let it run. Yeah, no sweat. Oh, Tushar, you do have to be eligible to trade with My Funded Futures. And then tomorrow when you're here, I'll have a form, and then people can enter the form, and then we do the wheel together, and then we pick the winners that way. Yeah, you do have to be eligible to trade. I know not everyone's eligible to trade with My Funded Futures. And yeah, that is for the giveaway for My Funded Futures account, 50K core account. Adrian, how is your swing trading going? And how's futures trading going? You think Platinum was down like 14% yesterday. Oh, wow. That's such a big move in one day. It must have hit some type of circuit breaker, you would think, at 14%. Holy moly, guacamole. Brent says gold opens at 7:20 Central. Okay, in 4 minutes. Let's go. Thank you, Brent. Let's take a look at gold then. Here is that gold micro. So exciting. I made this post on X. I'll tell you guys about it. Ooh, I'm so tempted to add another micro. Do I? Do I add another micro, you guys? I'm tempted. I am tempted. Let's do it. 2 micros on gold. I do love trading opens. I feel like the volatility in opens I love. And then also I love trading opens because sometimes you can get a nice clear directional move at the open. Let's see. Let's see what all the big players do. I did look into Bookmap, you guys, because I'm curious about actually seeing the liquidity and like actually seeing the order sizes and seeing level 2. So this is level 1 data. I am curious to use that information to help scalp. Like you see big bubbles come in, big players coming in, and then just jumping in with them to get a quick scalp. Is kind of what I was thinking behind the idea of buying Bookmap, like a subscription. Does anyone use Bookmap? Good morning, Bori. Yeah. Adrian, I know. I'm getting better though. I mean, look, I'm trading micros in front of you guys. Keynote in front of you guys. No, I am getting better though with sizing. Oh, yeah, it is. It's like the quick profits is so alluring, which means more contracts. But the opposite is true too. That means quick losses. It's like leverage, a double-edged sword. Hey, Alfred. Good morning, my friend. Good morning. How is your trading going, Alfred? Oh, I don't use Rhythmic, Ethan. Yeah, I've just been using Tradeify, and I think they use CQ data, I want to say, with my fund of futures. Yeah, Rhythmic. People like Ninja Trader with Rhythmic. Alfred says, "Okay, technical Terry, using Bookmap now." We should do a series where I just try everything and then I report back and talk about my experience. That actually could be a really funny, interesting like vlog idea. Thank you, Alfred. Oh, I know. Yeah, okay, our gold trade is working. Let's go, let's go. Gold market is open. I do want this trade to breathe, so hopefully it comes down back towards VWAP. I like it. I like how if you look at here, the volume profile, it does look like it needs to be filled some. So hopefully it gets filled and hits our TP here. It's always tempting to just book profits. Always. But the market just opened, so I'm gonna give it some time here. I could move my stop to break even, right? Oh, you guys, gold, it just gives me a heart attack. I'm just like wanting to hold my breath. Okay, come on down, gold. Come on down. Here's the hourly. I like it. I still like it. Yeah, in my X post I wrote this morning. If you don't follow me on X, please do. I'm at Terri Trades 100. I post a lot on X. I'd say I probably post the most on X. I'm also giving away 3 accounts on X, so you can enter that giveaway. I'll be announcing the winner on the 1st, on the new year. I wrote, markets humble us all. No one is exempt from this. Nothing about day trading is easy. Sitting in a winning trade is not easy. Cutting a losing trade and not immediately re-entering is not easy. Controlling your sizing is not easy. Winning, losing, none of it is easy. Hardest way to make easy money, and we still love it. We must just be the most wild people, I tell you. Yeah, I was sitting in a winning trade this morning and I wanted to book profits, right? And I was just like, gosh, just this is not easy. Even though the trade is winning, I had moved my stop to better than break even. It still wasn't easy because it's like you see these profits, like right here, it's $100 in profits. This is in a funded account, you guys. And it's like it's $100, right? Just take it and just take it and run. But I if you're looking at your risk reward, and if you're looking for, let's say, like I'm going to risk 1 for 2, or even like a 1 to 1, whatever your risk reward is, if you're consistently always taking profits early, then that changes. You're no longer actually a 1 to 2 trader, right? So it depends on your win rate. Like my win rate is typically around like 50%. So I need a good risk reward in order to make money. Um, so there you go. Why it's like right now, I do want to book profits. And that doesn't mean that I don't, right? Like with the discretionary trading, like sometimes I will just book it and it'll work all day long. Just book it, book it, book it. Yeah, everyone is so different. I haven't figured out the magic holy grail. If I ever do, I'll let you know for sure. I'll share. Yeah, I know Ike is a negative risk reward trader, and he prints money, you guys. Like his calendar is so green. And I have thought to myself, like, maybe that's what I need to do. Okay, so this is this 5-minute candle here. Let's see what the next 5-minute brings. If the next 5-minute closes above this, no bueno. I don't want it. So maybe I will move my stop here, because if it trades above that level, that means it's likely going to squeeze some shorts. Okay, we're at about break even there. Free trade. Let's take a look at MNQ. This one's underwater a bit. All right, let's go back to gold. Adrian says, I'm in a gold long position, but that was from last night. Wow! Way to go, Adrian. Adrian has diamond hands. Good morning, Keegan. Woohoo! Good morning, my party people. Hey, Bob. Bob likes Ninja Trader, but that is because I've used it for the past 20 years. That's awesome. You can set up strategies to trade for you. Yeah, but always back test them before using them. You guys, do you see this trade? Now I'm wishing I took profit. It's okay though. It's okay. Alfred passed a 50K MFU rapid last night. Let's go, Alfred, on silver. And you're halfway through a 50K and 100K trade day eval, working on getting daily payout accounts for 2026. Nice. Way to go, Alfred. Yeah, those daily payout accounts. I need to get back on that game. That is awesome. Congratulations, Alfred. Yeah, let's go. Thank you for subscribing. Tushar, I have two right now. I have two right now. I know a lot of people will have backups. I have thought about that. I should probably do that. Tom Sabo talked about that on stream yesterday on the My Funded Future stream with me. And he was saying that's part of his goal for 2026 is to have 5 funded and then to have backup evals that are already passed and ready to go. And I'm just wondering if that would help with psychology too, of like, okay, no worries, because I have accounts ready to go. So I can just like keep trucking along. Um, that could be a strategy. I haven't done it before, but I kind of like I like the idea. Hey, Red Candles, good morning. Hey, you just passed your trade day yesterday. Way to go. And you're working on that buffer. Hey Jay, no, I do not trade ICT, but a lot of the ICT concepts are um from things from the past rebranded. You guys, I don't like that this made a new high in this 5 minutes. Did we just take it off early? Yeah, I might take it off early. Okay. Okay. We made like, I don't know, $60 before the bid ask spread. It'll probably work now. That's okay. I didn't like that it made this new high on the 5 minute. Okay. Done with that. Let's go over to MNQ and check on this short. So, pretty good. We're trucking along here. That pays for a salad. I do love salads. I love gourmet salads. There are all these salad places that make you amazing, delicious salads. And it always tastes so much better when someone else makes it versus when you make it. Like there's this one salad that has shrimp in it and it has lime, like this lime vinaigrette. With romaine lettuce, so it's crunchy, and then it has cherry tomatoes, and then they squeeze fresh lime over it. It's delicious, and it's lower in calories too. So I think I'll get that later today. Yay! $60 for a steak. Exactly, Adrienne. I also love steak. John is asking how the backup account works. You pass it but cannot activate them and keep paying monthly fees. Yeah, that's a good question, John. I think every firm is different. I'm going to find out with my fund of futures specifically, like what the situation is. Actually, you know what? I'll find out with all of the firms I partner with. So I'm partnered with my fund of futures, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, and also Trade Day. Please use code Terri for those. And yeah, I will find out with every firm what happens when we have accounts that we've already passed. Will they stop the activation or will they stop the monthly fees? Oh, I do know for sure Lucid, when you buy an eval from them or the direct to funded, well, the direct to funded, you only pay once, right? But with all of their evals, I don't know if you guys know this, but a huge advantage with Lucid is whatever you pay for that eval upfront, that's it. You don't get rebilled. I didn't know this, and I recently learned this, which makes me super excited to keep trading with Lucid because that is an advantage. So we don't have to worry about trying to pass the eval quickly, even though I like to pass them as quickly as possible. Which is not a good habit. I do not recommend that habit. Yeah, Lucid. They are just coming on strong. They're a new firm this year, and I believe they just started this year, but they are just like competing like no other. Oh, I also saw on X that Lucid, the CEO, you guys will find this cool. The CEO of Lucid said, He said, important update on the Lucid Flex rule change. We've increased the cushion on the Lucid Flex consistency percentage to make it easier to pass in 2 days. This applies to all active Lucid Flex evals, and it is live right now. So, what that means is when he's talking about the cushion to pass, hey, our short is working. Let's go. This is the NQ, the micro NQ trade that we put on, looking at like the playing the range basically. Okay, so what that means is because it takes the fastest you can pass a Lucid Flex account or any account that has a 50% consistency rule, you take the profit that you have to get to. So let's say it's a 50K account, you have to get to 3,000. So then if you want to pass as quickly as possible, don't recommend, but this is what I this is what I do sometimes. I will go in here in Tradeivate and in my application settings in the corner here, I'll put max profit I want for the day at 1,500. So it'll automatically just take me out of any winning trades. So I don't go over the 50% because if you go over, what that means is you will have to make more than $3 or $3. You'll have to make more than $3,000 to pass the account. And if you're like me, we want to pass these accounts quickly and also with the least amount of effort. We don't want to have to make $10,000 to pass a 50K account. Let's go. I like this trade. I really like it. So when they're talking about the cushion to pass, he's talking about how much leeway they give you. So it doesn't have to be exactly at 50%. They increased it, they basically doubled it. So if you're trying to pass a 50K Lucid Flex account, they increased it to $60 of cushion. Either direction, they will let you. I don't know exactly what that means, but I think it's good. Like 60% or $60. So I suppose that means like one day you make $1,450 and then the next day you make more. Now you've passed the account. But let's say your balance is 3,000, I don't know, $20. I think that means like you're fine. Like they'll just pass the account. Oh, Adrian! Adrian says my gold trade would have worked. That's okay. We have monies to buy a salad today. Theoretically, I know. I haven't taken out the money yet. Yeah, this is true, Jasmine. Good morning, Jasmine. Jasmine says multiple accounts can sometimes lead to gambling as well. Speaking from my old experiences, yeah, it can get out of hand as far as like the tilt days, I think. Yeah, and it is easier to get in the mindset of like let's just YOLO because we can because we have all of these accounts. I agree. I agree, Jasmine. And for some people, that is their strategy with trading props, like just churning and burning and keeping your expenses down and making a lot in profits. Like to each his own. The only thing about that is like it is really easy to develop bad habits, like that don't necessarily work in a live account. But some people are able to turn it off. Yeah, I think you have to know yourself best. It is easy to get into that mindset. What do you guys think about the idea of like, is trading gambling? I feel like that's such a hot topic. Yeah, everyone smash that like button, please, if you haven't already. $3 too strong. Bob had a short at 742 area on MNQ, but my computer locked up. I had 5 platforms open trading different accounts. I had to close out a couple of them. I need to get a new laptop with more RAM. Yeah, Bob, I also had to do that because my laptop was not strong enough to run Streamlabs and run different applications, run multiple tabs with Chrome. I like to use Chrome, and I think it uses a lot of RAM too. Oh, I know. Business expenses. Hopefully you can write off a new computer as a business expense. Alfred says silver is wild at $25 a tick. Ooh. So it's just like trading 5 NQ. No way. Oh, let's go. $100. Is this $100? No, this is 50. Why does it say? I'm so confused. Oh, it's for 100 points, right? No, I'm so confused. Okay, well, here it says 50. This is 30 points. I feel like this bracket isn't right, you guys. I think I have to fix this. This bracket is not right. It says 100, 100. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I think I moved it up. Okay, that's what happened. I was like, what? Yeah, I moved it up. Let's go. This might pay for a steak. So I might get to get salad and steak today. Will I get there? I hope so. I do like here, see this big green candle? We are trading below. What level is this here? It's like a reversal of all these people who went long. I do like this. Okay, this low is 702. My TP is at 703. Hey! Let's go. We captured salad and steak today, this morning, with you. Let's go. You guys, I love that salad. It's so good. The salad with the shrimp and the lime and the vinaigrette. It's absolutely delicious. Yeah, exactly, Jasmine. I love Lucid too. I am a little fancy. Thank you, Alfred. I'm a little fancy, but I'm also very laid back too. Like I love to just wear comfy clothes and but I like little fancy things too. Like this is my cashmere sweater that I got this Christmas. Now I just need a drink for coffee. Oh, the short keeps going. Okay, NQ is down 49 points now, 50 points. Let's take a look at the hourly together again. Okay, yesterday's low. Point of interest here. 647. Oh, let me pull up Edgeful and tell you that statistic of you guys will like this. Okay, the statistic, if we open up in New York and we open within yesterday's range, the statistic that we break, we will either take the high or the low out on NQ. You'll find this interesting. Let me look it up and share the information with you. 1 second. I know, I'm running out of time. I've got to run soon to go to the My Funded Future stream. Okay, it's called the Inside Bar Report. Let me see if I can find it. Okay. Search reports. Okay, let me search a report. Inside bars. Okay, here we go. Within the last 6 months on NQ, and if in New York time, if we open within yesterday's range, so it depends, we could take out yesterday's low before New York open, but hopefully we don't. If we open up within this range from yesterday during the New York session of yesterday, then we have 80% chance that we will take out either yesterday's high or the low, which is a huge statistic, I feel like. Good to know, right? Opened within yesterday's range, broke out of yesterday's range, 80.52%. So there we go. Let's go. Okay, guys, I have to run to get ready for the My Fun to Future stream. I will be on that stream in about 20 minutes. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. Please smash that like button if you haven't already and hit subscribe. Turn on notifications if you have not. And tomorrow morning, we will do a giveaway together. Thanks. I will see you guys soon. See you tomorrow morning. Wishing you a green day. And if it's a red day, I hope it is a very small red day. Bye, guys.
Like a wave.